Hello students, today we will start working method to find concave upward, find concave interval, concave upward and concave downward. So beta working method की है is that to find the interval concave upward and concave downward. First beta अपने function given है y equal to fx, then next we find dy upon dx and d square y upon dx square. Okay, find the interval which concave upward function, concave upward. D square y upon dx square greater than 0. But in my last video we proved d square y upon dx square greater than 0, we find concave upward. बेटा मैं लास्ट वीडियो यू सी बेटा मैं लिंक दे दूं बेटा इसके विच कनकेव अपवर्ड बेटा इस दे विच मैं की शो किया सी बेटा स्लोप इंक्रीजिंग दैन डी स्केयर वाई अपॉन डी एक्स स्केयर की है सी बेटा ग्रेटर दैन 0. यू सी लास्ट वीडियो मैं लिंक दूंगा बेटा इसका. कनकेव डाउनवर्ड बेटा डी स्केयर वाई अपॉन dx square less than 0. For example beta find the interval in which function concave upward and concave downward. बेटा अपना function given है x the power 4 minus 6x cube, okay, plus 12x square plus 5x plus 7. Beta find the interval which function concave upward and downwards x to the 4 minus 6x cube plus 12x square plus 5x plus 7. Okay. First beta we find dy upon dx. d 4x cube minus 18x square plus 24x. Okay. फिर डबल डेरिवेटिव बेटा 12x स्क्वायर माइनस 36x प्लस 24, 12 कॉमन बेटा x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 2, 12 की फैक्टर आ गया बेटा x माइनस 1 x माइनस 2. ओके, नेक्स्ट बेटा टू फाइंड कनकेव अपवर्ड आपने फाइंड करना है बेटा इंटरवल जिससे किया बेटा कनकेव अपवर्ड्स. So d square y upon dx square is greater than 0. 12 x minus 1 x minus 2 greater than 0. So x minus 1 x minus 2 greater than 0. By beta Weyukar method beta. First equal to 0 1 equal to 0 2. ठीक है बेटा, प्लस इन्फिनिटी माइनस इन्फिनिटी. ओके बेटा, पॉजिटिव negative positive, this one is positive किस है बेटा, this one belongs to positive, this one minus infinity to 1 union interval 2 to infinity. okay बेटा. Second concave downward, okay, d square y upon dx square less than 0. सो नेगेटिव की इच्छा आ रहा है बेटा फॉर दिस नेगेटिव बेटा x माइनस 1 x माइनस 2 लेस देन 0. सो x बिलोंग्स टू 1 तो 2 इंटरवल. सो बेटा एग्जांपल से जिससे पक्की फाइंड करते हैं बेटा concave upward, find the interval which concave upward and concave downward. Second example बेटा, example second. Find the interval in which the curve is concave upward and concave downward in 0 to 2 pi open interval. Y equal to second beta cos x plus sin x, fx equal to cos x plus sin x into e the power x. बेटा इंटरवल करना जिससे concave upward and concave downward. Then first derivative. So first derivative of second plus second derivative of first. Minus sin x plus cos x. So e the power x, common cos x plus sin x minus sin x plus cos x. So we have 2 e the x cos x. Then second derivative. First derivative of second plus second derivative of first. So we have e the x cos x minus sin x. First, find the interval function concave upward. Beta d square y upon dx square greater than 0. So 2 e the power x cos x minus sin x is greater than 0. Exponential function is always positive. 2 is positive. So cos x minus sin x is positive. So cos x greater than sin x. But we draw a graph of cos x and sin x. X, y. First we draw a graph sin x. Okay. Graph of sin x. Okay, beta. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Okay. 1 and minus 1. Okay. Next we draw a graph cos x. This one graph of sin x and graph of cos x. Okay. Graph of beta cos x. Clear point beta. So cos x and sin x at common value, this one is pi by 4. जिथे इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं बेटा both are equal in this point and this point. Cos x equal to sin x. So this point is pi by 4 and this is 5 pi by 4. बेटा pi plus pi by 4, this function देखो pi, this one again pi plus pi by 4, 5 pi by 4 at this, because अपने 0 तो 2 pi ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ बेटा find करना है interval ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. In this interval function concave upward and concave downward in interval. ठीक है बेटा. So we find, we draw a graph. We see at this one sin x equal to cos x, at this one sin x equal to cos x. So cos x is greater than sin x. Beta you see in this graph, ਜਿਹੜੀ cos x ਦੀ value है is greater than sin x. Sin x and this one is cos x. So in this interval, cos x is greater than sin x, and this graph किसदा बेटा cos x था, and this interval cos x is greater than sin x. You see beta, in this interval cos x is greater than sin x, in this interval cos x is greater than sin x. So x belongs to 0 to pi by 4. Okay. Union 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi. Okay. Second, for concave downward, d square y upon dx square less than 0. Okay. So beta exponential function is always positive. 2 e the x cos x minus sin x is less than 0. 2 positive, e the x is always positive. So cos x minus sin x is less than 0. Cos x less than sin x. But in this interval, this cos x is less than sin x. So you see graph cos x is value less than की है बेटा sin x. So x belongs to pi by 4 तो 5 pi by 4 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ ਇਹ concave downward. So बेटा next example. In third example, prove that fx equal to log x base a is concave upward for 0 less than a less than 1 and concave downwards for a greater than 1. बेटा अपने ये प्रूव करना है इसके विच. So let y equal to fx is log x base a. Then we write log x upon base changing formula base e. Okay. We find derivative 1 upon x log a. Then second derivative minus 1 by x square into 1 by log a. Okay. For concave upward, d square y upon dx square greater than 0. Minus 1 by x square into 1 by log a is greater than 0. Okay beta. Beta minus multiply. So 1 by x log a. Sign की हो गया बेटा change. X square is always positive 1 by x square. So log a की आ गया बेटा negative. Okay. Again, for concave upward, this one is greater than 0. Multiply by minus 1. Sign change. This value is always positive. This one is negative only if log a is less than 0. Now you see the graph log x base e. This one is a graph of log x base e. Okay. You see in 0 to 1 log x is negative, y is negative, log x is negative when value lies between 0 and 1. So log a is negative if a lies between 0 and 1. Okay beta, you see in this graph log x is negative when x lies between 0 and 1. This one is negative in this portion if x lies between 0 and 1. So log a is negative when a lies between 0 and 1. Second, for concave up downward, d square y upon dx square less than 0 minus 1 by x square upon 1 by log a is negative. Multiply by minus 1. Sign change. 1 by x square is positive, so log a is also positive. Log a positive, log x तो positive है if x is greater than 1. So a greater than 1. So beta example see for concave upward and concave downward. In next video we will discuss examples of concave upward and concave downward and working method of point of inflection. Thank you very much beta.